R.V. Kemp, 1957, 1 QB 399. The defendant assaulted his wife with a hammer. He had no previous history of violence and no apparent motive. He was charged with causing grievous bodily harm contrary to the Offences Against the Person Act 1861. The defendant argued that the attack was the result of loss of consciousness linked to arteriosclerosis, with the hardening of the arteries causing congestion of blood in his brain. This was used by the defense as grounds for a defense of automatism. The trial judge, however, directed the jury that the appropriate defense was one of insanity. The issue before the appeal court was whether the trial judge had correctly directed the jury that insanity is the appropriate defense. In this case, and more broadly, whether the MNAN, disease of the mind, test can apply to physical conditions as well. Its effect on a person's reasoning ability. Essentially, the court was not concerned with how a defendant got to a certain state of mind, through a physical or psychological impairment, but that he reached that state and was in it at the time of committing the offense. The term a disease of the mind was designed, inter alia, to limit the effect of the term defect of reason, so as not to permit stupidity to act as a defense. The trial judge had therefore been correct in directing the jury that the appropriate defense is insanity and not automatism.